Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to add or remove favorites on Instagram. It's super easy, so let's get into it. The first thing that we need to do is open the Instagram app on our phone. And here, if you want to add a favorites on your Instagram, what you're gonna do is to click on the three dots located at the top right corner of the post. Tap on it and you'll be able to see these options. And one of the options is add to favorites. So you just need to click that to add the post to your favorite list. Now, if you want to remove this post to your favorites, there are two ways that you can do it. First, just simply click the star located beside the three dots and it will show this prompt. You just need to click on Manage Favorites and click on Remove. And that's it. That's how you remove that post to your favorites. The second way, let's add her again. You need to go to your profile, click on the three horizontal line located at the top right corner of the screen, scroll down, and you'll be able to see favorites here. Click on that, and there you go. And you just need to remove it. And that's it. That's how you add or remove favorites on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!